Just a quick shout out to Kevin from Staff's Metal Detectors. Yeah, he just sent me some covers for my Golden Mask Thracian. They'll also fit the UK edition and the other small box models. So yeah, they're pretty good. I'll just show you the. Okay, that's for the battery box. This is in the camo, and I think they were $19.95 for this version. This is for the control box, and as you can see, it's got a flap you can open up so you can get to your controls. So get them on the detector in a minute and see what they look like. They do it in black as well, so recommend you give them a look on his website. I'll put a link in the description so you can have a look. But right, anyway, I'll get them fitted on the detector. Yeah, so these covers for the Golden Mask small box range from Staff's Metal Detectors. No, it was under the Protectors brand. Yeah, look pretty good. The camo ones, the material is like kind of stretchy, so it fits quite well. And so this particular model was $19.95, and it's got this flap so you can get to the control box easier. They do a cheaper version, which the flap there's not a flap, but there is just there is a cover over the control box, but you can't get to the controls as easy, but it's a bit cheaper. So yeah, it looks pretty cool, really. Well, I reckon. In camo, so they do it in black. I don't think the black material is as stretchy. But yeah, should do the job, really. So yeah, give them a look if that's what you're after. But say it should fit the UK edition, the 1 Plus, the 4 Pro 4-wheel drive. So pretty well sorted there. Anyway, got to go out and do some detecting now on a new permission with the old Golden Mask Thracian. Catch you later. Shut up, being so noisy. Right, just going to give this this field a going over, and get a stubble. Hopefully we'll find something. There's Rob over there with his Garrett. We've got the Golden Mask Thracian 15 kHz, the 10x12 coil. Right, let's go.